Alright, what I'm working on is a fuel tank for a little ATV. That the tank got a little crack on it where the hose connector threads into it. Okay, so what I did was I kind of took my blade and I gouged that out a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on a very light vise here like this, so that the parts come together just ever so lightly without being too tight. And I'm going to take this plastic welder from our freight and try to weld that back together. Okay, at least that's the hope, or at least that's the plan. Okay, if it works anyway. So hopefully you can see that, and that's what we're going to do right now. I got this really hot. First I'm going to and I got some plastic, so here we go. We're going to weld first down like this into the tank just a little bit, and then I'm going to weld in the new piece here. There we go, as I need it. Okay, I'm going to flatten it out right here a little bit because it's sitting high. And I think that should do it. But if you look inside, looks like we got good penetration because you can see the color. Oops, sorry. You can see the color all the way through, and that's already cooled down. So let's thread it in. And I'm going to put a little bit of Teflon tape around this and thread that back in there, and hopefully if everything works, it looks like it's, oh yeah, that's solid now. We shouldn't have any fuel leaks, and that should be good to go. Okay? Alright. Good luck.